Caden made himself a little slide. Let's see you. Let's see you do it.
Okay, you got a lot.
Let's see. Go ahead.
Just the movie without the
Slide. Whee! That's pretty good, Caden. You're using your imagination.
Maybe we should watch that one.
We're watching that one. This is Finding Nemo.
No, you should have switched it from me.
Whee! Slide down. Whoa! Was that an owie? Oh, that went sliding down too, huh?
Fill my trailer with water.
Something's wrong.
It slides too. Get your baby and put your baby on there. See if your baby wants to slide. Yeah.
There are no wrong choices. The only wrong choice is to sit there like you're doing. There's only good choices here. Just pick one. It's all you can say.